Hey kids, what if I told you that a tiny rabbit outsmarted a big angry wolf? Would you believe it? Well, let's find out. Every day, a naughty little rabbit would secretly sneak into the wolf's field. He would dig up the sweet potatoes, fill his bag, and happily hop away. But before leaving, he would do something strange. He'd bury a bone in the ground. The wolf got really angry. He said, "If he comes again today, he won't get away." The wolf hid behind a straw pile. The rabbit came, buried the bone, stole the sweet potatoes, and started walking away. Soon as the rabbit walked past the straw pile, the wolf jumped out and shouted, "Gotcha!" "Why are you in my field?" the wolf asked. The rabbit said, "The wind blew me into your field." "And these sweet potatoes? I was just holding the plants for support. They all came out." "And they all ended up in your bag?" the wolf yelled. The rabbit replied, "I was wondering the same thing." "That's it. I'm going to make rabbit stew," growled the wolf. The rabbit quickly said, "If you make stew out of me, I won't tell you a big secret." "What secret?" the wolf asked. "I didn't come to steal sweet potatoes. I came for a dinosaur bone." "Dinosaur? What's that?" "It was a huge, powerful animal. If you eat its bone, you become super strong." The wolf said, "Let's find it quickly." Both of them started digging the ground. The rabbit secretly took out glue, poured it on the bone, and said, "Here it is, the dinosaur bone." The wolf happily bit the bone. Oh no, his teeth got stuck in the glue. He couldn't say a word. He pulled, and finally, 4 of his teeth popped out. The rabbit ran off laughing. "Bye-bye, Mr. Wolf.